Do you want to find the Instagram recently watched reels? So don't worry about that. I will show you the exactly how you can find the Instagram reels. So first of all, you need to open the Instagram, and once you have opened, you need to tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, and you see the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, here you will find your activity option. Then hit your activity, and then again hit the likes option. And now you will find all the liked reels on Instagram which you have recently liked and recently watched on Instagram. So this is how you can find the recently watched reels on Instagram. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.